Hey guys, so for today's 12 days of tutorials, we are using the Cosmetics Gemini 2 palette. I do have a few videos up on my channel already with this palette. I did one kind of peachy look. I also did like a 2 looks 1 palette. So today I tried to combine the peachy and the green shades together, and I feel like this turned out pretty cool. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to start with the shade Ladylike on a Sigma E27, and that's going to go in my crease. Now I'm going to take any kind of skin tone colored eyeshadow, and I'm just going to blend around the edges of Ladylike. Now on the same brush, I'm going to pick up Himalayas, and I'm going to add that to the outer part of my lid. And I am slightly bringing it into the outer crease and just kind of blending it out. I am going to layer other shades on top of this, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take a little more Ladylike and kind of put that in the middle of my lid so it connects to that Himalayas shade, just to make this transition a bit smoother. Now I want to go even deeper, so I'm going to pick up LX Queen, and I'm going to deepen up this outer part of my lid even more. These shades are blending so beautifully together. I love Cosmetics matte eyeshadows. So pretty. Now I'm going to take the shade Mateo on a Sigma E57, and I'm going to place the shade on this inner blank part of my lid. And I am leaving the center of my lid blank for now because I am going to add another shade. I'm going to take a clean Sigma E33 and just blend around this green shimmer, just to kind of soften the edges. Now on the E57, I'm going to pick up Schmood, and that shade's going to go in the center of my lid. So this shade is kind of helping the blend between the green and the matte shades on my outer corner. This is kind of giving me like Smokey Christmas vibes because it's kind of like green and slightly warm tone shades. It's kind of different, but I like it. I'm going to go back to that first shade, Ladylike, on my Sigma E33 and just use that to blend in the inner crease right here. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. Alright, my face makeup is done. Let's work on the lower lash line. I'm going to take a Sigma E21 in the shade Boy Mum, and that's going to go along my entire lower lash line. Then I'm going to pick up a little bit of almond eyes, and I'm going to add that to the lower lash line for a pop of green. Now I'm going to go back to my Sigma E33 blending brush and just kind of blend along the entire lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back to that deeper shade Boy Mum on my Sigma E27, and I'm going to add that to the very outer part of my top lid to kind of connect the lower lash line. I'm going to take this Urban Decay eyeliner in Rockstar. It's like a deep purple, and I'm going to run that in my waterline. Now I'm going to take my Sigma highlighter in Moonbeam, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner and a little under my brow. Alright, I'm gonna go pop on my mascara and lashes, and then I'll show you the full face. Alright, the sun is about to come in, so hopefully I can wrap this up, but I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I'm wearing the Bright Lashes in the style All Naturel. And here is the final close-up of the eyes. I feel like this turned out pretty cool. I used a lot of the shades in the palette, but I love the little gradient from the green to the copper to the purple, a little bit of green on the lower lash line. Alright, the sun was coming in, so I had to block it, but here is what the full face looks like. I feel very pale right now. I need a self-tan, but this is the look. On my cheeks, I'm wearing the Nail Cosmetics Cream Blush Light in Sandy Cheeks, kind of a peachy shade to go with those peachy shades in my crease. And on my lips, I am wearing the Tarte Maracuja Lip Plump in Peachy Beige. Lots of peachy colors today with a pop of green. It was really fun to play with this palette again today and do something kind of different. It's just kind of like a different take on a smoky eye, but I think it turned out pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.